In this question, we are going to look at the freed up cash from speeding up our collection cycle, but we're also going to look at our disbursement cycle and what happens when we slow that one down. And then we can look at the opportunity cost of that happening. So let's take a look at question number 2, and I'll read it to you. Sheila's Society clothing manufacturer has collection centers around the country to speed up cash collections. The company also makes its disbursements from remote disbursement centers, so checks written by Sheila's take longer to clear the bank. Collection time has been reduced by 2.5 days, and disbursement time has been increased by 1.5 days because of these policies. Excess funds are being invested in short-term instruments yielding 6% per annum, so that's per year. So it asks us, A, if the firm has $4 million per day in collections and $3 million per day in disbursements, how many dollars has the cash management system freed up? So we'll calculate that, and then we'll also do B right afterwards. How much can Sheila's earn per year on short-term investments made possible by the freed up cash? So then we're just going to see how much interest that they could earn with that extra cash by changing this cycle. So the first thing that I want to look at is the daily collections. So my collections per day is $4 million. Wow, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have that number. That's really a lot. And what I'm trying to do again is speed up this collection cycle by 2.5 days. So I'll put 2.5 days. So that's going to give me, if you do 4 million per day times by 2.5 days, that's going to give me $10 million. But we're also going to look at this daily disbursements. So it says that I have 3 million per day in disbursements. So I'll put this down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what I'm trying to do is increase my disbursement time by 1.5 days. So if we increase that disbursement time, then that's going to actually bring in more money. So I'll just say days speed or slow down. And maybe a better way to say it, I'll say days reduced and days increased. So I'm just going to keep the same wording as the question, just so it's not confusing. Okay, so if I take 3 million times 1.5, that means I'm going to have extra cash of 4.5 million. So all we have to do now is add these two together. So the 10 million and the 4.5 million. So we're reducing our collection time with our customers, and we're increasing our disbursements time with our suppliers. So that gives us $14.5 million in freed up cash. So I just answered A. And now it's asking me if I invest this cash in short-term instruments so I can earn 6% interest, because we don't want to just leave that in our bank account. We'll see how much interest we can get off of that. So if I do 14.5 million, just trying to put a line here. So 14.5 million times 6%, I'm going to save or earn, so interest earned, I'm going to earn $870,000. So I think it's definitely going to be beneficial if we can aim to reducing the collection cycle and increasing the disbursement cycle. That will bring us extra interest of $870,000.